Meaning of duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag. A duffel bag is a large cylindrical bag made of cloth or leather, typically with a top closure. It is often used for travel or sports equipment and can be carried by hand or over the shoulder. The name comes from the town of Duffel, Belgium, where the thick cloth used to make the bags was originally produced. Duffel bags have become popular due to their durability, spaciousness, and versatility. They are commonly used by athletes, military personnel, and travelers around the world.